Hi, I'm Rashmi, co-founder and CEO of DMTI, the Digital Marketing Training Institute. DMTI is an industry initiative. It is the apex body for digital training in India. We run different programs that cover all aspects of digital media marketing. Since our inception in 2011, we have come a long way. The support from the industry has been fantastic. We are the only ones in the country who run a one-year full-time program in digital marketing. It's called the Postgraduate Program in Digital Media Marketing. It's basically a one-year program. The first 6 months of the program cover all aspects of digital media marketing in details. It also covers a lot about the basics of marketing and traditional media. The second half of the program is dedicated to an internship. And throughout the program, the students work on a lot of live projects as well as practical sessions. At the end of the program, the students are provided with a guaranteed placement of 5 lakhs. It's a fantastic program for somebody who wants to join the digital industry.
I was looking for digital marketing courses and I started searching for it, and that's when I came to know about DMTI. I went through the website, I came to know about faculties and board of advisors, and I was very impressed with the whole list, so I inquired about the courses available.
As I wanted a career change in my life and I wanted to be a part of the digital industry, so I joined DMTI. And also I have my friends who have done this course from DMTI, and I've seen them growing in their own careers, and basically they say that their whole foundation comes from DMTI, both the knowledge, the expertise, so all from the faculty which they have given their heart and soul to the students.
Learning at DMTI means importance of digital media in today's time. Today everyone spends 24 hours, hardly out of those 24 hours, 12 hours on mobile, PCs, everywhere. So it's like you are living digital.
Learning at DMTI is not just about studies, exams, lectures, attendance and everything, but DMTI is more than that. We have fun parties, we have sports activities, we get to meet industry professionals. So we get to work on a lot of live projects, we do case studies which have been very impactful in their own spheres, in their own agendas.
In DMTI, apart from learning which all other institutions provide, I feel the best part in DMTI is that the entire DMTI team will focus on each of our individual growths, which is very important. At DMTI, we also have had sessions on personal grooming and business communication, which has made us future ready today. We also work on real-time assignments, which has made us ready for the industry and which has made us more confident than what we were.
In DMTI, as well as the projects which we have a lot of fun out in classes. We have group projects, we have solo projects, and also we work on live projects, which is really good for us. And even apart from education, we have our own parties where we enjoy. We have our own events in DMTI. We have our own football matches. So there is a mix of learning as well as fun in DMTI, which is really good for students.
I've done my MBA in marketing, but after joining DMTI, I got to know more about this subject. It's just not in MBA, what I studied was only the theoretical part. I have worked in the industry, but after joining DMTI, what I learned was something which I didn't know before.
DMTI has helped me grow as a person to a very great extent, wherein we had our own grooming sessions, where in those sessions we were taught how do we keep our body language right, how do we keep our gestures right, so that we can fit in the corporate environment. Before joining this course, I lacked confidence, I was shy and I couldn't talk to people properly. I also had a problem meeting people personally as well. But after this course, since the grooming sessions have really helped me well, I can talk to people properly. I have this confident body language through which I can talk to them properly. During interviews previously, I had a problem where I couldn't talk to them properly. I used to stammer a lot. But now I think I've overcome that. I think I've really become strong after this course, and I feel that no matter what the situation is, I know I can find a solution to it.